So, hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So, previously we talked about Wall of Love and embedded testimonial, how to embed it. Now we are going through the integration documentation. Uh, so, embedding your testimonials on any website should be simple because with Clientalio integration document, you get step by step guides for over 20 popular platforms, including WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Wix, React, Next, Angular, and more. You can see there are 20 platforms you can integrate do the integration part. Simply select your platform from the integration matrix. You can select any of them. Like if I select WordPress, this is the screenshot. Simply select your platform. You can instantly view platform specific instructions like what to do step by step. Each guide include detailed screenshot. So this is the screenshot. There is a step by step first step. So it is very easy for user to do the integration of our testimonial widget. Whether you are website builder or CMS, custom framework or client area, make integration fast and hassle free. Collect testimonial, showcase social proof, build trust with us, all with client area. Thank you.